So our last example for the triangle proportionality theorem, and what we're looking at is trying to solve for x. Now the problem is triangle proportionality theorem was based off of comparing our two pieces here and our two pieces here. Now you can also compare the whole thing. And so you've got three options of compare 8 to the 12, 16 to the 24, or the 24 to the x plus 12. So we had, or 24 compared to 36. And so you want to keep that in mind. We've got 2 and 3 are related. But the problem is that the 10 is all by itself. There's nothing over here. And then we've got the 3x plus 6 comparing it to nothing. And so what we want to do is let's find a match for something. And so you can either do this whole thing minus the 3 and come up with 3x plus 6 minus the 3, and so that would be these two combined, and you'd get 3x plus 3. Or the easier way, I think, is to find the total distance here, and that would just be 2 and 10 together, which would be 12. And so I'm going to compare the 2 compared to the 10. Sorry, 2 and the 12. You got our 2 compared to our 3, and then our 12 compared to our 3x plus 6. Now you can right here use your scale factor, because so this is times 6, this is times 6, and so you know that this has to be 18. And so that's another way of going about it and saying, okay, this times 6, and so I'm going to go from here and multiply this by 6 as well. So this whole thing is going to be 18. And I could just set, hey, 18 is going to be 3x plus 6. So those of you that like looking for that scale factor, just keep doing that. Subtract your 6 and divide by 3, and you get 4. We're subtracting 6 from both sides there. Over here, you can cross multiply. 2 times 3x plus 6 equals 3 times 12. So that's 6x plus 12 equals 36. And I can subtract the 12, and I get 6x equals 24. And then we're in the same spot as the scale factor. Divide by 6, and you get 4. So hopefully this has helped looking at the triangle proportionality theorem. Again, make sure that your proportions that you're setting up are good. Take your time to make sure that each piece corresponds to each one. If you start with the 2, make sure you start with the 12. If you start and put 3 over 2, make sure you put the 3x plus 6 over 12. Good luck as you keep working on understanding.